heaven sent. Don't you dare forget I am all you've ever wanted, what all the other boys all promised. Sorry I told, I just needed you to know. I think in decimals and dollars. I am the cause to all your problems, shelter from cold. We are never alone. Coordinate brain and mouth, then ask me what it's like to have myself so figured out. I wish I knew. I hope this song starts a craze, the kind of song that ignites the airwaves, the kind of song that makes people glad to be where they are, with whoever they're there with. This is war. Every line is about who I don't want to write about anymore. Hope you come down with something they can't diagnose, don't have the cure for. Holding on to your grudge, oh, it's so hard to have someone to love. And keeping quiet is hard, 'cause you can't keep a secret if it never was a secret to start. At least pretend you didn't wanna get caught. We're concentrating on falling apart. We were contenders, we're throwing a fight. I just wanna believe, I just wanna believe, I just wanna believe in us. Oh, we're so controversial. We are entirely smooth. We admit to the truth. We are the best at what we do. And these are the words you wish you wrote down. This is the way you wish your voice sounds, handsome and smart. Oh, my tongue's the only muscle on my body that works harder than my heart. And it's all from watching